Hello everybody, this is Peter from Philadelphia. Tonight we're gonna have a Super Bowl 59 against the Kansas City Chiefs. I am truly hope my team, Eagles, they're gonna win. The reason I say, because I moved to this city 2018. At that year, Eagles got the Super Bowl. And then now we have to win. We have to win this time. We have to grab the trophy, championship trophy. That's why Philadelphia needs you. I strongly believe that all of our Eagles team, they are desperate to have it. And then all residents of our Philadelphia and Pennsylvania, they are so eager to have it. And then everybody hoping everyone has a 100% desperation to have a Super Bowl championship in 2025, which is a 59 Super Bowl championship. The reason we have to have it because the city of Philadelphia is declining. Macy's is closing, Walgreens is closing, CVS closing, and there's so many local businesses closing due to lack of customer came in and then they are willing to spend their money. But in order to revive the city of Philadelphia, we need you. We need Eagles to win. Then the city of Philadelphia gonna revive as we were used to be. People are coming into city. People love to explore the city because of this city has so many historical sites and historical memory of the United States of America. This is my beloved city. Let's go Eagle, E-A-G-L-E-S.